Hi friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. As you know, we are on the way to Coorg or the Madikeri, and in this video I'm going to share with you our homestay experience at the coffee estate. Now, road to Madikeri is very scenic. It's around 150 kilometers from Mangalore, and on the way you see this beautiful waterfall. And since it's the month of September, the rains are receding, so you can see all the waterfalls, the flora and fauna and greenery is on its peak. So after around 3 to 4 hours drive, we reached our destination. It's a coffee plantation or a coffee estate homestay. The name of the place is Victoria Verandaz, and this is their start of the property where this entire road leads to the main bungalow and the rooms. And it's around 90 to 100 acre estate which grows coffees, which grows spices, and it's located on the hilltop. So you can see how beautiful it is on both the sides. What you see are the coffee plants. So agenda here is to enjoy this homestay, and we will be doing the plantation tour with the owners. Both the owners, Timothy and Diana, they are very warm people. As soon as you reach the estate, you are greeted by this 90s 60s vintage Willys Jeep. It's a real off-roader, and the owners have a lot of pride into it. So let us say hi to these beautiful rabbits and check out the entire estate. So that's the main bungalow, and we are going towards the rooms area. And it is well maintained garden, greenery all along. See, these are the rooms. So you must be wondering, what is a homestay? So on a estate, up to 5 room accommodation is known as a homestay. So owners can build up to 5 rooms and rent them out to visitors like us who can come and enjoy their coffee estate experience. So as I told you, this is on the hilltop. So from here you get an excellent view of the valley down below, and it is completely green. Just staying here, recharges you, energizes you, and it brings you close to nature. So let me give you the room tour. So this is the sit out area or veranda, you can call it, overlooking the garden and the greenery, and the rooms are absolutely clean. So let me just show you that. So well maintained bed, wardrobe, and there is a staff here which takes good care of the accommodation, cleaning everything. So room is surrounded by all these flowers and greenery. Also, this place is around 8 kilometers from Madikeri main town, so it is easily accessible. So you can always go sightseeing from here, or go out, do your purchasing and come back. We actually decided to enjoy the estate tour itself and relax here. So the main highlight was the estate tour, and Timothy very passionately explain you about his estate and how he grows this coffee and the spices. So the tour starts, we all were ready since it's a rainy season. We all were wearing gumboots and taken all the precautions, and this is the trail on which we go down from the hill. What you see on the both sides are the Arabica and Robusta coffee plants. This is the plant of cardamom. So cardamom actually grows very close to the soil in bunches. Now these are the coffee beans. When they ripe, rise red in color, in next couple of months they will be harvested. Now this is the plant of a black gold, or also known as black pepper. Now this is green in color now, but it gets harvested and processed to make the white pearls of white pepper and dried to make a black pepper. As you are going down this trail, you can experience the nature, the beauty. So what you see from here is pretty much the entire estate. There are some paddy fields down, so we actually went down. One of the things which Tim explained is the area where they do the annual ritual puja or the prayers to the gods, which locals believe, there is a legend, they protect the entire estate and the people working here. So after trekking for around 35-40 minutes, now it's time to go and see the beautiful waterfall they have as a part of the property. And if you want, you can get inside the waterfall also and enjoy. For city creatures like us, the trek was little tiresome, but just sitting here and viewing this greenery waterfall made us forget all the effort, and it was absolutely worth it. Now this is the ancestral home where the owners have preserved all their heritage here, the old coffee machines, all the pots and vessels.
This is the granary. It's over 150 years old. We used to store our rice paddy in these holes before. You pick rice.
Now these are the original pots and pan in which the cooking used to happen. That's the coffee filter there. And this is how manually you used to remove husk from the coffee beans in olden days. Now best part of the homestay was the home cooked meals which were created very affectionately by Dinah, and whether it is breakfast or the dinners, we enjoyed all the specialities of Coorg cuisine there. Just few photographs here, but it was much more delicious, and half the time we did not click any pictures because it was so delicious we straight on jumped on eating. Special thanks to Ozzy for being a great companion during our stay. So friends, our stay at the Victoria Verandaz is coming to an end, but this has been an absolutely enriching experience. It's a beautiful, lovely place. So from here we will be going to another resort in Coorg. So we will take you along there as well. But if you like this video, make sure you press the thumb icon and subscribe to our channel. So do watch out for more videos coming from this series. So see you soon in a next video.